G'day folks, the fish wanted me to remind you that we do have that Backyard Aquaponics Beginner's Guide. It's an online interactive guide where you can learn about aquaponics if you're new to the growing method. It covers pretty much everything from what is aquaponics, how to cycle a system, plants, a couple of pointers there. Not only that, it gives you ideas on how to make your own components with a small filter and a radial flow settler as well tossed in. I've just added a module looking at solids lifting outlet fittings and also drain fittings as well, the DIY jobbies, and giving you a couple of different ways you can connect them, whether they're permanently glued or another option where you can reclaim the fittings and use them in different builds as you expand your system. And also how to make your own small basic aquaponics system so you can start growing your own fantastic tasty veg and fish in your own backyard. And not only that, you can also ask me questions through the guide. There's a little button that you click on there, and yeah, I should get back to you within 24 hours. You can check it out and also my online store using the links down in the description. Cheers folks, and happy growing.